Hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today gonna be not the full review, but initial unboxing and testing of this violent fan. Yeah, I like those names. As usual, from AliExpress, I'm gonna compare it today with my favorite fan so far. I don't know, it's not branded, but you can check out the review, links in the descriptions. So, before we start, as usual, if you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Ask me any question about this device or tell me what review you want to see. So, unboxing. First of all, box. The box is not generic. We have the pretty much our device here, the outline. So it's not just white generic box. So we have the outline with violent fan, violent fan, violent fan. So a lot of mentions of violent fans. And here they have use cases, let's say. Keyboard cleaning, interior cleaning, barbecue, what else? Blow dry pet hair, clean up the leaves, and 3C digital product cleaning. Okay. On the other, we have, on the other side, ultra high wind, power battery, and temperature protection, because others are covered by sticker. On the back, just classification of wind power. So basically, they give you wind scale of 17, and yeah, but for me it's interesting because it doesn't have fixed gears. So let's open. Oh, okay. Right from the bat we have violent. Okay, guys, now it's not violent fan. It is actually violent hair dryer. Have you seen something like that? Violent hair dryer. Why? Why hair dryer? It's a bummer that I don't have enough hair to dry it with this hair dryer. Okay, so pretty big instruction in English and German, French, maybe Spanish, Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. Okay, so basically a lot of languages are covered for this violent hair dryer. Actually, next we have some brushes. This is interesting for me. So they assume that we're gonna clean something with that. You can clean with these brushes around and I think blow dust with your violent hair dryer. So, but yeah, 3 brushes. Okay, we have the fan and Type A, Type C charging port. Oh, charging cable. The main event. Oh yeah, that's pretty big one, right? Yeah, I think the buttons are a little rattly. Look at it, it rattles. Yeah. Compared to this one, this build quality is amazing. Like literally nothing. And you can hear that, right? So what we have the power button, we have metal protective mesh, metal fins, which is very nice, out, in, power button, and trigger. Okay, pretty smooth trigger. So let's wait on my kitchen scale. So my favorite so far fan is 229 grams. And our big boy is 406 grams. Of course, you can see all the freedom units here on the left. Yes, okay, let's turn it on. Okay, so just we have the green lights on the back, the diodes on the back, 4 diodes, Type-C port, and actually nothing more. So there is no buttons. Okay, so it has smooth trigger. Pretty smooth. Okay, nice. Compared to my favorite one. The sound is very different, right? Yeah, the sound is pretty different, but this one is on a low battery already, but let's check out how many grams it can push. My small but loved fan, only one battery left. Like 160 was the maximum. And let's go this violent fan. Okay, 180 was easy. $600 grams. I hope you could see it, right? 600 grams. But it was pretty noisy. Let's try one more time. Yeah, the top I've seen now is 620 grams. Yo, that's pretty powerful. Okay, guys, 600 grams. That's something. That's really something. That's no joke. Because this one on a full charge, I believe, can do 200 grams. So this one is basically 3 times more powerful. Wow, that's crazy. 600 grams. So I'm gonna try to dry my car with it. I don't think it will be enough to dry the whole car, but let's try. Because the best thing about it now is the price. Because it is around 35, 36 bucks, and this one around 28, 30 bucks. So the price difference is not that big, but the performance difference is pretty big. I already charged it one time and I know that it can pull around 15-20 watts from charger, so it was not very slow, charged pretty fast. So yeah, in the next video I'm gonna try to dry the car with it. Thank you for watching.